Enhancing customer experience with chatbot implementation, benefits and best practices. Hi everyone. Today we're going to talk about how chatbot implementation can enhance customer experience. As we all know, customer experience is crucial for any business, and providing prompt and efficient customer service is one of the key factors in achieving that. This is where chatbots can come in handy. Chatbots are computer programs that can simulate conversation with human users, allowing them to interact with businesses conversationally. By using natural language processing, NLP, and artificial intelligence (AI) techniques, chatbots can understand and interpret customer inquiries, provide personalized responses, and even perform certain actions on behalf of customers. One of the main benefits of chatbot implementation is the 24/7 availability they provide, which means that customers can get answers to their questions and resolve issues at any time of the day or night. This not only improves customer satisfaction, but also reduces the workload on human customer support agents, allowing them to focus on more complex issues. Chatbots can also help businesses gather valuable customer data, such as their preferences, purchasing behavior, and feedback. This data can be used to improve products and services, create personalized marketing campaigns, and identify areas where customer service can be improved. If you're a business owner or manager looking to enhance your customer experience, consider implementing a chatbot. With the advancements in AI and NLP technology, chatbots are becoming more sophisticated and capable of handling a wide range of customer inquiries. By providing prompt and efficient customer service, you can improve customer satisfaction, reduce customer churn, and ultimately drive growth for your business. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more great content